everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I got my mom this teapot thing set, La Creuset, or whatever how you say it. It's supposed to be like really good brand name, I guess. And yeah, so they have like stores or whatever the case may be. You've heard of the name. So this is the set that I got her, and you're gonna see the color. It's called Marseille, I don't know. So here's what it looks like. That's the name of the color. Marseille, I guess. This is the box. Hopefully nothing's broken inside. That's what it says. Crafted of heavy-duty carbon steel, coated with enamel, blah, blah, blah. Single tone, hand washing recommended. We don't have a dishwasher, so you don't got to worry about that. And see, there's another dent in the box right here, which I don't like. This is 1.25 quart, which is what? Enough for. So this is a little bit over 32 ounces, which is enough for more than 2 cups of tea, or whatever you're gonna make in there. So let's do the unboxing review, then we're gonna do a little test of it. So on the top, this box comes out first. We're just gonna pull everything out of the box, not like this way I could get the box out of here. That's it for what's in there, so let's put this over here. So this is the top. It feels very heavy. There's no dents in it. The bottom is made out of stainless steel, and then the top is some kind of enamel. So hopefully it doesn't get hot. This feels really heavy. Okay, that comes off like that, and that's it. So this isn't a one-hand design. On the high-end tea kettles, they do not make one-handed design, I notice. This, all-clad, I forgot, whatever, wolf, I don't know, whatever the high-end models are, none of them make, automatic one-handed openers. I don't know why. No idea. I don't know what the hell that's about. But so here's what it says right here. This is only a sticker, which is kind of poopy. It's not imprinted into the enamel, so that's kind of depressing for the price that you pay for this thing. The color is really nice. It does feel like metal. The top is enamel, you feel that, but this just feels like metal, so I don't really know. This is plastic, nothing crazy. It doesn't feel like anything thick either. Different. It's a whistler, so we'll see what happens. The inside is, can I fold this down? Oh, this only goes one way, so it only goes up to there, but then it does fold down that way. But it does, somehow it locks this way. Oh, there it is. It's hitting this there's a stopper right there. So there's a stopper on this side that it does hit. So that's what the inside looks like. It's like a black, starry, black with dot kind of enamel on the inside. They said it's very easy to clean. You can't really see how the whole setup is, where it comes through. It just has a couple of holes in there, nothing special. And that's it. The measurements, I'll give you, I'll give you measurements in a second. All right, so we got the ruler right here. It is 10.5 inches high to the top of the handle, and the width from here to the end, you're looking at about 9.5 inches this way. The diameter of the bowl itself is a 6-inch diameter, so for your stovetop, how wide this is. It's the bottom is still 6 inches. 6 inches on the bottom. It says it's good for every type of stove. At least that's what it says. So we will try this on my induction cooktop on a later review of it later on, and you guys will see that on my induction cooktop, the review of that. If you saw the video, I made a review of that. We'll test it out on that induction cooktop and see how quickly you can boil 2 cups of water, because I usually do that. So here's what the bottom looks like if you guys want to see any part number and model numbers and stuff like that. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. That's what came in there like that. Oh, this goes on like this, and it locks on. This is what it looks like. So you guys will see, but you guys will see that. So here's the instruction manual right there. Here's what it feels like. You like that? It's okay. I mean, I thought it was going to be nicer for $75. But,
well, it's because whatever it's made out of, I guess.
Yeah, but the name brand, I would have thought would have been, like, that's a high-end name brand. I
Yeah.
thought they would have imprinted it into it, not just put a sticker. You know what I mean?
Mm.
Like All Clad. Like, I don't know if All Clad puts a sticker or does. But this is the instruction manual. Nothing crazy, just general care and how to take care of it. I really don't find anything crazy on that. So we're not going to really, I mean, it's a tea kettle. I don't know how much more you need to know. So let's see. This is the kit. So we're going to do the unboxing of what came in with the kit. So it comes with these mugs. La Creuset mugs, or however you pronounce it. The inside is a creamy color, but you're going to be using this for tea, not coffee. It still should be easy to clean, but yeah. These are 14-ounce mugs, is what they give you. So they give you 2 of these in here to match the color, so it comes like as a set. The mugs are, so you know, 3 3/4 in diameter, and in the height they are a little shy, probably 4 5/8. Probably 4 5/8. That's a little shy of 4.5 inches in height. So you know, just in case you need that for height or anything like that. All right, so that's it for right now for the unboxing. We'll be right back. We're gonna do a review of how long it takes to boil 2 cups of water to do a little test. And that's it. All right, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye-bye.